My name is Carson Rounds. I'm a family physician representing the North Carolina Academy of Family Physicians. I want to thank the board for this opportunity to speak with you about the proposed rules and also for your service to the citizens of North Carolina. We support your efforts to increase transparency for the public and to ensure the highest quality of medical care for the citizens of North Carolina. We understand and support the need for public reporting when the board finds that standards of care have not been met. We agree that the board should investigate whenever a malpractice settlement occurs, but we do not agree that all malpractice settlements should be publicly reported. Settlement does not equal guilt. Many settlements are not made as a result of the merit of the suit, but as a result of an economic calculation. The cost of the settlement is significantly lower than the cost of litigation. In a situation where a carrier decides that it would be best to settle a case on those grounds, physicians are left with a difficult choice to settle or personally bear the cost of proceeding. Most of us are unable to bear that cost and wind up settling. Posting only those cases where the board finds that negligence occurred would provide better information to the public than posting the results of that kind of logical thinking. We're opposed to the proposal to make these rules retroactive. I can't get into the legal arguments that you have already heard, but many of us would have made a different decision had the rules that are now proposed been in effect in the past. Many of these do include confidentiality agreements, and we wonder how you can subsequently then turn around and report them. We're also concerned that many of these cases involve mid-level providers. The supervising physician may have met standards of care, met the standards for supervision, but still be named, implicated, and find themselves posted on the board's website. We understand our responsibility for supervision, and we greatly appreciate the assistance of our physician assistant and nurse practitioner colleagues. We are concerned that, as we understand this rule, in the instance where a nurse practitioner was the one who was named, it would wind up that the physician would be the only one publicly reported for that situation. And we think that all of the providers of health care should be held to the same reporting standard. If you do choose to move forward with this rule to post settlements, even when your own investigation does not reveal a failure to meet the standard of care, we ask you to consider a modification of the rule to only post those settlements that meet a certain minimum monetary threshold, something like what's required for the National Practitioner Data Bank, which would be at least a national standard, rather than posting all of them. In summary, we appreciate your service to the citizens of North Carolina. We recognize our shared responsibility to ensure the highest quality of care, and so to support public reporting when the board determines that the standards of care have not been met. Reporting all settlements do not appear to further your efforts to ensure higher quality care, and we don't believe that settlements under the old rules ought to be reported. And finally, we think that all healthcare providers should be held to the same reporting standard. Thank you.
Thank you.